Guys, welcome back to episode 4. If y'all have not watched the first 3, please go back. They're good. They're awesome. We just caught a great looking fish that I've been after for a little bit, and that is just awesome. Came right out and tacked it. That is absolutely what we love to see. That's great. Okay, we're gonna just keep going with this spot. Really happy with that. If you don't know what that is, guys, go back to episode 3, watch that. Yeah, just tell me what that fish is, guys, because I really do not know what that is. I just don't know, so help me out with that one. Oh, we're gonna catch that one right there. We're gonna catch that one right there. How the heck does he not want it? Are you kidding me? How in the heck do they not want it? Oh, he does. Oh, I bet you that's one of them rock bass. Oh. We want that. We're gonna eat it. I want that small one. Oh, he's going for it. Come on, go for it. I want that little one. Take it. Go for it. Nah. Swim back. Dadgummit. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get that one. No? Wow, okay. Something's gonna attack that. Yep. They're the perch. There they go. Oh, there comes the one that wants it. That's a big one. Come on, eat it. Get it. Oh yeah, there's a big one. Holy frick, that one's big. That one's real big. Just missed a decent one, but there's a bigger one in there. We're gonna reel back. We're gonna cast right by that rock, because that's where the big one came out. Gosh dang. Yeah, we're going right there. Boom. There we go. Come on. Yeah, the big one's gonna come out and eat it. That's all there is. Nah, I do not want to have this fish on. There we go. We don't have one. Alright, we're reeling back. Cast right back off of there. Let's do it. Alright guys, we're heading back to this spot right here. Keep switching between these 2 spots, I know, but it's gonna be good. So, let's get it. Oh gosh, this rod is not doing very good. Oh, there we go. Just switch a little bit. Alright. We're gonna try and catch that red ear again, or one of them, because there's gotta be multiple, so. Boom. That is perfect. Okay, fish is going to it. Not sure the size of it, but oh, big one's by it. I can kind of see their shadow. Do I have one? No, something brought it over there. Okay, yeah, that's the one we're after right there. That is exactly the one we're after. That's where he was last time. Oh gosh, he's scared of it? Why the crap would he be scared of it? It's a little frog. You're supposed to eat it. Oh, he's definitely got that. Oh no. Alright, yeah, I definitely want to catch those. There's 2 good ones over there. No, there's actually one real good one and then one smaller one. We're gonna try for that bigger one. Come on. He just sits there. Kidding me? Oh, he's going to it. He might go to it. Nope. I'm dropping it right on him. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't even hook him. Nice. Okay, please, I just want to get that. Oh, that one's cool too. There's a big one that just came out. Come on, see it. They're everywhere. Oh yeah, there he is. Go into it. Go to it. Go to it. Go to it. You got him. Hold on. I think he just ate it. I'm gonna let it sit there. I'm not sure where it's at. Oh my gosh, they robbed me. Crap, guys, they really want it. We gotta catch another fish, or we gotta catch another frog ASAP. Okay, I'm gonna set down my pole right here. Dadgum, guys. That's a good one. Oh, one just, I swear one just jumped right there. Oh, what's that? What's that? Okay. Come on, anyone bad, anyone bad? I really need one of these frogs. Come on. Come on. There's a frog, there's a frog. He just swam down right there, I think. I just grabbed something. Don't know if I got anything at all. No. I'm gonna try putting a minnow on there. Science. Dadgum, the big ones are out right now. I gotta get them. Those big old perch. Okay, they robbed me. Big one robbed me. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him back right now. We're gonna get him back. Just trust me. We're gonna get this guy back. Come on, just frog, please. Please let me catch you, frog. Oh shoot, there he is. I don't know what all I grabbed, but got him. Wait. Oh, we might have got him, guys. I don't know. Nothing, guys. Nothing. What if I put like a crawfish? I'm gonna try and catch a little crawfish or something. Anything? Nope. Are you kidding me? How's it not a frog just eating it over here? Okay, this spot I don't really go to over here as much, so I should go to the frogs. Come on. Come on. There's one. Oh, he's under that rock. That's the problem with this area. They just go under the stupid rocks. Dang it. Missed him. I don't care the size of the stupid frog. Please say I got him. Please say I got him. Got him. Yes. Yes, I got him. Let's go. He just freaking jumped out. You've got to be freaking kidding me. Oh my gosh, that is so, holy crap, that is so dang annoying. Now I just let the stupid, there we go. There's one. He doesn't know I'm still tracking him. I'm still tracking it, bud. Oh, is there anything in there? I definitely just killed it. Come on, frogs, where are you at? I'm gonna try a minnow too. Gosh, all the big perks right there. Ooh, that caterpillar scared me. There's one. There's one. Oh, I just grabbed so much stuff. I don't know if I got him though. Dang it. Didn't get him. I just jumped in right there. Kidding me? There's one. There he is. Oh, you piece of crap. I don't know if I have him actually. Squeezing the crap out of this. I don't even care. Did I get him? Oh my gosh, I got him. And he was still alive. Oh my gosh, I got him. Yes, nice. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Don't lose him, don't lose him. Oh, he's stuck between my fingers. Boom, baby, let's go. Okay, we gotta get back out there right now. Just, gosh dang it. Where'd I put my pole? Crap, where'd I put my pole? There it is. Okay. This is awesome. This is awesome. Okay. Got the frog. Gotta hook him good so they don't immediately take it. Super mad. Boom through the head. That'll be hard to take off. Through the torso. That'll be hard for him too. Just gotta go boom, boom back through everything. Guys, we're working with right now. Let's go. Let's catch one of these big ones. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, they're gone. Already gone. It's fine. We'll find them. We'll definitely find them. That's a decent one right there. Where are the big ones? Come on, big ones. Dadgum. Okay, we gotta make it. I'm gonna re-hook this thing a bunch every time. There's the big one. Oh yeah, they almost robbed me. First cast, that would have been bad. That would have been super annoying. That's what we're working with right there. Boom. Little rehook right there. Oh, yeah. That one is right across the whole thing. Yeah, he might go for that. He's looking at it. Staring right at it. Staring right at it. Come on. Oh, frick. Oh, gosh, okay. Frog's still on. Frog's still on. Nice. Nice, nice. Okay. That's awesome. Frog is still on there. Oh, yeah. Okay, we gotta just cast on this rock where we were last time. Oh, not that rock. Not right there. Nope, nope, nope. All the tiny ones. We're going for the big one right now. I already caught a bunch of small ones. Boom. Oh, frick. Big one ate it. Set the hook. Nice. There we go. Nice perch right there. Nice, guys. Look at that. Pretty good one right here. Nice. Look at that guy. We'll definitely take that. Oh, there's a little bit of rock bass in there. Guys, let me know what that is in the comments, please. All right. Nice. It's pretty dadgum legit, if I do say so myself. Oh, there's bigger ones over there, too. Well, I don't know if they're bigger, but really cool looking. All right. Oh, get over here, buddy. It's got to be a mix between something. Oh, gosh, guys. We got a little something going on right there. Oh, sorry, bud. That sucks, man. Okay. Oh, come off of there. He's under that dang rock. That's where he was. He swam out and just destroyed it. There you go, guys. Boom. That's the end of episode 4. Come back for episode 5. See you guys.